So in this section we're going to take a look at some schematics and see if we can explain how these circuits work. It should be fairly self-explanatory, so we've used a bit of a graphical representation of what's actually happening, so let's see how we get on. So if we look at this schematic here, it's not particularly operating anything, it's just an example. So I've decided to use these little chaps to show which parts of the circuit are energized. Why not? And we'll also, as you'll see, there'll be some red lines appear where the actual current is flowing. So on the first row, we've got a normally open push button. We've got a normally closed push button. We've got this normally closed contact, which is assigned to relay 3. And then we've got relay 1. So when relay 1's energized, it will close any contacts assigned to it. And on the bottom row, we've got a limit switch and relay 3. So we're going to assume here, I've not said otherwise, that relay 2 is going to energize a coil for a pneumatic cylinder. So that cylinder is going to extend. When it reaches the top of its stroke, it's going to operate this limit switch here in this example. So here goes anyway. So push button 1 is the first bit, so that's going to be pressed. Now our chap makes his way along here. These are both normally closed, so he's got a free run all the way to relay 1. So now relay 1's energized, that's closed this contact here, so his chap can make his way up here. And off he goes to join his buddy. Now, unless you're some sort of weirdo, you'd have took your finger off push button 1 now. So what actually happens now is this chap comes along here, and this guy who was down here on the second line, he's now keeping relay 1 energized because this contact is now closed. So this will stay energized now unless someone presses this button, which is normally closed, so that'll be typical of a stop button, or this contact here breaks, which is assigned to relay 3. So obviously the other contact of relay 1 is now closed as well, so relay 2 is operated, or make-believe pneumatic cylinder is now extending. He's on his way, and then now it's actually hit the stop. So this guy on the 4th row here, he's gone through this now because it's closed, and he's now energized relay 3. And if you see up the top, relay 3 is now open there. So this guy's no longer got no power. So he's gone back. His buddy's gone back here because this is all open now. He's gone back there because this is open. Relay 2 is no longer energized, so his cylinder stopped extending. And this guy stays here indefinitely, really, because there's nothing in this particular circuit to actually switch that off. So the cylinder's extended, it's hit its stop, and this relay at the moment is staying energized.